creative DIY hacks for your next project. Welcome to our channel, where creativity meets simplicity. Today, we're diving into DIY hacks for your everyday projects. Let's start in the kitchen. With just a binder clip, you can keep your sponges upright, ensuring they dry faster and stay cleaner. Moving on to the garden, an old colander can become a charming hanging planter. Just add soil, your favorite plants, and voila! Now, let's tackle organization. Use ice cube trays for a budget-friendly way to store earrings and small jewelry items neatly. For those who love art, create your own paint from old, dried-up markers. Soak them in water and use the ink again. Next up, a hack for tech lovers. A cardboard tube can help organize cables and cords. Decorate it to suit your style. Lastly, transform an old ladder into a stylish bookshelf. It's not just functional, it adds a unique touch to any room. Remember, creativity has no limits. These DIY hacks not only solve problems but also allow you to express yourself. Happy crafting!